Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and running quick checks. First, back up critical files so you can make system changes safely. Next, connect an external monitor. If it's stable, the problem is likely the panel or cable. Inspect the display cable and hinge for loose connections or visible damage. A loose cable causes intermittent signals and flicker. Once done, reboot into safe mode to see if drivers are causing the flicker before proceeding to driver or software fixes. Now focus on the software that controls the screen. Update your GPU drivers from the manufacturer to resolve compatibility bugs. If flicker started after an update, roll back to the previous driver version. Make sure your power plan isn't using aggressive power savings. Set display refresh and adaptive brightness to stable values. In apps like browsers or editors, disable hardware acceleration because it can conflict with certain drivers. Once these changes are applied, reboot and check whether the flicker persists. If software steps didn't fix it, move to hardware troubleshooting. Power down, open the chassis, and carefully reseat the LVDS/EDP cable. Corrosion or loose pins often cause flicker. If that doesn't help, test with a known good screen or have a technician run diagnostics. Replacing the cable or panel usually resolves physical faults. Make sure to record when and how the flicker appears. If you seek repair, this info speeds diagnosis. Troubleshooting tip: if flicker is intermittent, try alternative power adapters and battery removal to rule out power instability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.